In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reopen a closed report in Expensify. If a report was closed a little too fast or you notice something that needs correcting, this walkthrough will show you two clear ways to get it back into an editable state. Start on the home page in the new Expensify interface. From there, look to the left sidebar and open the Reports section. This takes you to the list of your expense reports, usually sorted by date with the most recent on top. If you have a lot of activity, use the search or filters to narrow it down by status or date so you can quickly spot the closed report you want to adjust. Once you see the report, select the checkbox next to it. This enables the Bulk Actions toolbar. Click Selected to open the action menu, then choose Hold. You'll be prompted to explain why you're holding these expenses. Add a brief, clear note that gives context, something like what needs changing or why the review is necessary, so anyone reviewing later understands the reason. When you're ready, confirm by clicking Hold Expenses. This places the report on hold and effectively pauses it so you can manage next steps without it moving forward in the workflow. If you need to reverse that and take it off hold, select the same reports checkbox again, click Selected, and choose Unhold. That returns the report to its prior status and clears the hold note, letting you proceed with updates or resubmission as needed. There's also a second path if you prefer working inside a single report view. Open the report directly so you're looking at the full details. Click Submit if that option is available on the page. Then open the More menu and choose Retract. Retracting pulls the report back so you can make changes and resubmit when everything looks right. This approach is handy when you're already reviewing the report details and want to fix something on the spot. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you can't see hold, unhold, or retract, your policy or role might limit those actions, so check with your workspace admin. Keep your hold reasons short but specific so there's a clear audit trail. And when you're done making edits, come back to reports to verify the status looks correct before you move on. That's it. Using the reports list with hold and unhold, or opening the report and using submit, more, and retract, you can confidently reopen and update a closed report in Expensify.